The last video we were doing print statements, either printing just plain text or printing the value stored in a variable, which we had up here. Can't say I love the way it's output this, my name is, and then next line, Mr. Smith, and so on. So let's just fix that. So I'm going to copy this and put it into here. And I'm going to do this slightly different. I'm going to use this F string thing where I can incorporate the values of variables into my output with print formatting. So I've got print, see the F, and then I'm doing curly brackets, which are called braces, and I can say put in there the value stored in that variable. That way I don't need this line. And let's do it again for the star sign. Put the F there. I'm going to take this away from here. Actually, I'll just do the curly brackets right there. So curly brackets, my star sign, and I can delete that. So let's just run that, see what it looks like. That's better, isn't it?